Hello students, welcome back to Mathpedia, class 11, exercise 3.4, question number 17. Prove that sine a plus b into sine a minus b is equal to sine square a minus sine square b. Let us take the left hand side. We have sine a plus b into sine a minus b. This is equal to, now sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b into, similarly sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now take this sin a cos b as a and cos a sin b as b. So this is of the form a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So this is equal to sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. Now look at the answer. We have sin square a minus sin square b. So write this cos square b in terms of sin square. So we get sin square a into cos square b is equal to 1 minus sin square b. Minus. Similarly, write this cos square a in terms of sin square. So we get 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. Now multiplying the sin square a, we get sin square a minus sin square a sin square b minus, similarly multiplying this sin square b, we get sin square b plus sin square a sin square b. Now sin square a sin square b gets cancelled. So we have sin square a minus sin square b, which is equal to the right hand side. Second subdivision, cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b is equal to cos square b minus sin square a. Take the left hand side, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. This is equal to, now cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Similarly, cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now take cos a cos b as a and sin a sin b as b. So this is of the form a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore we get cos square a cos square b minus sin square a sin square b equal to cos square a into cos square b is 1 minus sin square b minus, similarly sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a into sin square b. This is equal to, now multiplying this cos square a, we get cos square a minus cos square A sin square B minus, similarly multiplying sin square B. Sin square B plus cos square A sin square B. Now cancelling this cos square A sin square B, we get cos square A minus sin square B. This is equal to the first part of the answer. Now to get the second part of the answer, write this cos square A as 1 minus sin square A. Minus, and sin square B is equal to 1 minus cos square B. This is equal to 1 minus sin square A minus 1 plus cos square B. Plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. So we have cos square B minus sin square A. And this is equal to the second part of the answer. Now let us prove the third subdivision. On the left hand side we have sin square A plus B minus sin square A minus B. This is equal to sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Since we have sin square, put whole square minus sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, the whole square. Now take this whole term as A and this term as B. So this is of the form A square minus B square, which is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Therefore, this is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B plus sin A cos B minus cos A sin B into sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now cancel cos A sin B and sin A cos B. So we have sin A cos B and sin A cos B. So that is equal to 2 sin A cos B into cos A sin B plus cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B. This is equal to 2 into, write sin A and cos A together. So sin A cos A. Similarly, write cos B and sin B together. Equal to 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A into 2 sin B cos B is sin 2B. And this is equal to the right hand side. Now let us prove the fourth subdivision. Cos 8 theta into cos 2 theta is equal to cos square 5 theta minus sin square 3 theta. Take the left hand side. cos 8 theta into cos 2 theta. This is equal to, see the answer, it is in 5 theta and 3 theta. So this 8 theta can be split as 5 theta plus 3 theta. Similarly, 2 theta can be written as 5 theta minus 3 theta. We know that cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. This result we have already proved in the second subdivision. So taking 5 theta as A and 3 theta as B, we get cos square 5 theta minus sin square 3 theta, and this is equal to the right hand side.